YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. PJ Ground Pounder. This is day number 4. We're in Bangor, Maine, headed over to Quebec, Canada, and everything is going well as could be. You know, no big problems. We just moving right along. So anyway, good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Camera right there. Let's get it cracking. In the rest position. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
That's awesome. Hey, great experience.
To Madawaska, got a few more miles over to the Four Corners. Got a little flat. We back at it again, y'all.
You on the road. You ain't on the ground. You afraid to break down.
You don't really want to know my
I believe in what I want to believe in.
Yeah. Got a mechanic on his bike.
You don't want to really know my real name, though. You know his name.
Oh, God.
Anyway, so motherfucker. That's what they call me. Yeah.
Hey, we got a gentleman came to check on us. Tell the people who you are.
Hi, Randy, nickname Hammer, VP, Star City Saints.
That's right. Check us out.
Well, I tell you,
That motorcycle started dancing around.
we got this legal in Maine. No, it's legal in
It's legal here. Hell yeah.
Ain't none over there?
They probably is one behind there somewhere.
Hey now!
What do we got going on?
You need another?
Get out of here. Don't take your own head here.
No.
Dr. Phil. Tell me. Dr. Phil.
Yeah, Dr. Phil.
Let me hear some of that
here.
Dr. Phil logic you've been spitting out.
I pump it and I pull my leg right there in that thing every time.
Uh-oh. Cabin, go to work.
Got it.
They usually tend to check bikes out,
So we
especially
done-
if you're wearing caps.
We done found it. What we looking at? What we looking at?
Right here is on this side.
Ooh-wee.
For like $800.
This doctor here, the plug, it'll probably cost
Thanks
about
so much.
$2,000. That doctor there,
Yes.
Did you guys finally make it home? This your house?
This is my in-laws' house.
Oh, okay. I'm like your family home. We've been waiting. No, we got a flat tire right here. We've been here a couple hours.
Both of beans.
an hour and a half.
They might be a little pressured if we got some water in our cup.
Oh,
Well,
great.
we know.
All right.
Pull up the same time he pull up.
Well, there
Great.
you go. All right.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the rest of your trip,
All righty.
guys.
No problem. Thank you. But he's up. Tow truck's here. We're good to go. There's Mr. Tow Truck Man. Beautiful thing.
Help y'all with something? Y'all want to let y'all buy it?
We got him. We got him.
Quite a few times.
What? Oh, well, nobody did.
I think we get your dog-in-law.
For tips, motivation, or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and ride.